Exercise number 11. Start. I have ventured, with your permission, sir, to take part in this initial debate on the draft constitution, but it is not my intention to deal with any particular part of it, either in commendation or in criticism, because a great deal of that kind has already been said and will no doubt be said, but in view of that, perhaps I could make some useful contribution to this debate by drawing attention to certain fundamental factors again. Full stop. I had thought that I could do this even more because in recent days and weeks I have been beyond the shores of India, have visited foreign lands, met eminent people and statesmen of other countries, and had the advantage of looking at this beloved country of ours from a distance. Full stop. That is of some advantage. Full stop. Next paragraph. It is true that those who look from a distance do not see many things that exist in this country. Full stop. But it is equally true that those who live in this country and are surrounded all the time with numerous difficulties and problems sometimes fail to see the picture as a whole. Full stop. We have to do both to see our problems in their intricate detail in order to understand them and also to see them in some perspective so that we may have that picture as a whole before our eyes. Full stop. Now, this is even more important during a period of swift transition such as we have gone through. Full stop. We have lived through the period of transition with all its triumphs and glories and sorrows and bitterness, and are affected by all these changes. We are changing ourselves. We do not notice ourselves changing or the country changing so much, and it is quite helpful to be out of this turmoil for a while and to look at it from a distance and to look at it also to some extent with the eyes of other people. Full stop. Next paragraph. I have had that opportunity. I am glad of that opportunity because for the moment I was rid of the tremendous burden and responsibility which all of us carry and which some of us who have to shoulder the burden of government have perhaps to carry more. Full stop. For a moment I was rid of those immediate responsibilities and I could look at the picture with a freer mind. Full stop. From that distance I saw the star of India rising far above the horizon. Full stop and over.